it out what you're putting in.
Bill's on the tractor. We have a cable run. To this tree right here. I don't know if you can tell. But this one is basically dead. And the electricity is going to come through here. So Bill thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and take it down. It's already leaning pretty bad. So Bill and his brother are taking it down. He's putting tension on the cable right now. I don't know if you can see the cable, but there's the lock. It's got the cables locked together.
I'm ready to roll, yeah. Okay. I'm going to start cutting because I might not only get a knot since you might go. You know what I mean? But no more pressure right yet, right? I wouldn't. I don't know what we're going to do anyway. Hopefully I cut this. Okay. What you do, I hope.
Okay, so Bill's going to provide the pressure in the tractor, and David's going to cut the tree. Thinking it was leaning so much that one notch might do it, but it didn't. It's going. It's coming. It's going. Whoa! Good job, David.
Yeah, that came out better than I thought. I was lucky.
You did good. Man, you felt it right where you wanted it. I've never seen a tree go down like that before. I mean, I've seen them on videos and stuff, just like you're seeing this one on video, but I've never seen it in person.
It looks shorter now. It's on the ground, don't it?
It does look shorter.
I'd say she's probably 70 feet anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
Very close, because I measured 68 with my drone.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh. There you go.
There you go. You were right.
My grandfather's old faces are still on.
The other day, you and I both said 75.
Yeah.
Missed it by 3 feet.
Huh.
I think Bill started this one too, but it's so wet and small that it's not taking hold yet. But those are going crazy. Now this one was huge when he started it, and it burned down quick. And then there's another small one over there. And of course, here's the felled tree. They're cutting that up now.
I'll get my saw started on one side too.
We'll get it all bucked off and put it right on the fire, right?
Yep. In fact, I'll start picking some of the smoother stuff up.
You don't want to save too much.
I don't want to save really. When you get to something maybe this big, cut it, we'll float over either there or down there, and then I'll split it and burn it later. Little stuff, okay.
This fire's about to get bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all have this thing cleared out in no time.
Yeah.
The way y'all work.
Well, we got good equipment. That's the problem. Back in the old days, we worked a lot harder.
This is literally less than an hour later. We are down to just this much of the tree left. David's cutting. Bill is hauling. Yep, and in a matter of no time, the boys are done. Everything's cleaned up. You'd never know there was a tree there, except for the stumps still left. Here's the tree trunk that's left from the one Bill took down, and David, see how rotten it was in the middle? Goes right straight through.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you put in?
Okay, here's our septic tank, and then right up there you can see, and going to the right is the rest of the leach field. It's about, I'd say, 90% complete. They just got a backfill around it. We got to seed it, straw it, and the engineer came, inspected it, said it all looks good, and said you can start using it if you want to, and I think we will.
It's the reason that I care. Why there is no one above you. Why no one else can take me there. It's the birth of a moment. I tremble and show something.
400 engines on this baby.
All these places right in here.
Look at his house.
There used to be one here where the slide is.
That RV he's got parked there, that's like 150,000.
Yeah.
And these two houses are part of his stuff.
You don't know who all
But the stone wall. So the stone wall would indicate that.
Yeah. You used to have another little different 300 inches right by the slide.
Yeah.
Look at the money set right there.
Strangers, but God, only you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. On
There's another boat there, you have to be careful. It's gone right now, so we got some play with it. Yeah, just keep it hang on, because sometimes I have to hit it pretty hard.
You're doing good, hon. You're doing good.
Okay, but just line me up there, because